Welcome back to another easy TikTok tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to delete your TikTok stories using the latest update. This method works on both iPhone and Android devices. First, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and ensure that you have the most up-to-date version of TikTok installed. Once that's done, open TikTok and navigate to your profile by tapping your profile icon. To delete a story, tap on your profile picture to open it. If you have an older version of TikTok, look for 3 dots on the right side of the screen. Tap them, and a menu will appear with a delete option. Select it to remove your story. If you're using the newer story interface, swipe up from the bottom of your story to access the View section, where you can see who has viewed it. Here, you'll find a small trash can icon on the left side. Tap it to delete your story instantly. And that's it. These are the 2 ways to permanently remove your TikTok stories. If you found this helpful, check out my TikTok tutorial playlist in the video description for more tips. See you next time.